guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome.
Right. So today's video is we're doing a mukbang with
mukbang.
I
think it's a mukbang.
Mukbang, whatever, with Popeyes. And I guess we're just gonna be talking about gossip or something.
We never done it this.
Right. We haven't did a video in so long, but we're gonna be back at it.
That burger's good.
Dang. Ew, it looks weird. It don't matter.
Some people just like watching us like eat and chew.
Ew, no.
Like you know how them eat like when they have the mic and they're just like, you know what I'm talking about?
I don't want that.
That's nasty.
No, I like it. It's like satisfying.
Ew, what the? That disgusts me. How do you feel about your ex?
Huh?
How do you feel about your ex?
I feel no type of way.
Yo, you was just talking crazy.
So now, real talk. He's a weirdo.
He probably watching this right now. He probably gonna be the one to dislike it.
Anyways, he's a weirdo. But I still have love for him, I guess. How you feel about your ex?
I don't have no ex.
Boy, but girl, bye.
We don't speak on exes. That's why they call it an ex.
Okay, but just talk about
Examples of what not to
Talk
do
about
again. What you want to talk about?
Your ex?
What about him?
The planet. How you feel about him?
No love lost.
Aww.
No.
Would y'all ever get back together?
No.
Why not? Why not?
No. That's a dog.
You ever cheat on him?
Yeah, say not no. Nah.
Do you want to get back with him?
No. Stop. Now change the subject.
This is how we talk about questions. Like,
Alright, so we killed a fish before. We killed 3 fishes before.
no, it was like more than that.
Let's talk about the first video we ever made. And let me tell you something. That video, I was
embarrassing.
so ugly. Like I needed
We
my
both
eyebrows.
was ugly. First of all, we was like,
I needed my eyebrows done so bad. Like who let me? I wanted to delete that so bad, but she was like, no, it's memories.
let me tell you something. We were so jealous to do that video. Like, we were like, oh, let's do that video. Next thing you know, we were like, oh, it looks cute. Now that we're looking at it, it's like, why did we post that?
I needed my eyebrows done so bad. Like I wanted to delete that video.
No, we
so
was
bad,
looking
but it's just
crazy.
Like, it is what it is. We should react to it. Y'all think we should react to it?
Let us know. Yeah, we slacking. We need to get back with our videos. Like,
You know, I just be like,
there just be too much.
I don't want to do it because I'm scared. Like, I don't have people coming up to me and approaching me like, oh my god, you're Danisha that do YouTube? That's just like,
I mean, you gotta get used to it. But it's like, I don't want them to know.
You don't want who to know.
It's spicy.
Let me taste that.
You got your own.
What's spicy?
The chicken.
Oh.
Like, I don't know, I just don't want people to know that we do YouTube, but like, at the same time, I want people to know, because then, yeah. I don't know if that makes sense, but
I really don't talk about the way we eat.
how do we eat?
I eat really sloppy.
Oh, look at her.
Mama, like,
Anyways, y'all want to know about us?
my name is Danisha Yvette Rivera. But I'm Dominican and Puerto Rican. My birthday is March 1st. Me and Justin Bieber got the same birthday. I used to be so Joe about that. Yeah. Like when I was young, I used to be in school like 3rd grade. Like, me and Justin Bieber got the same birthday. What?
My name is Crystal Alyssa Lopez. My birthday is May 27th. I'm a Gemini. I'm Puerto Rican. Yeah. So cool.
I'm Pisces.
No. We love doing makeup. We've been doing makeup since like what?
Well, we've been trying to do it. We've been doing makeup since
Trying.
like 13.
Huh?
13.
I thought you said 15. We started learning around that time. No, like 12
going
on 13.
When we was turning 13, we had these little sticks, like eyebrow pencils, and we would like try to do our eyebrows and stuff, and then.
But practice makes perfect. Let me tell you, like we came a long way.
We used to use these little eyeliner sticks. Now.
Well, we're not trying. Never mind.
We're not trying to brag.
Yeah,
because we're not. I'm not the best at makeup. I just do good eyebrows.
Right.
I cut it myself.
What? I'm a mess. Anyways, we might do another video. I don't know what. Cause we did a truth or dare yesterday.
And this one's gonna be posted before that one.
Yeah. But anyways, we did a truth or dare. A freaking mess. It took forever.
The camera kept dying.
Kept dying.
We should have just done it on our phone yesterday. But we wanted
until we let the camera charge or whatever. Right now our camera's charging. We're on our phone. Yes, we are. But like it took forever. The whole time.
We like the memory card got full.
Yeah, because we only had a certain amount of time. And then the camera died. We
did truth or dare and we did rating. People.
From
but I don't think we're gonna post the truth or dare.
We're most likely gonna post the rate us 1 to 10 from like monkey.
People started school today. I can't relate. I go to school and people gonna be like, listen. When we used to go to school last year.
Oh my god.
There was these little girls and they would come up to us like they was like, oh, I watched your videos and I was just like, oh my god. Shut up before people hear you.
We wasn't even like Joe about it. You know, they're like, oh, thank you, but we were just like, okay.
We were just
ignoring them.
Stop talking about it. Like
it was so embarrassing. Like they kept talking about, oh my god, you guys should be going. I subscribe to y'all.
We was at lunch and they was like, when are you going make another video? And there was this boy. He was like,
who? I'm telling you, I was so embarrassed by it.
That's what he used to say at my lunch table.
I was too embarrassed. Someone wanted to delete every single video. We had probably 4 videos up, and she deleted all of them. All of them. I don't know why she deleted it. She told me, oh, you know, I deleted our video. I wouldn't even check up on our YouTube. Like, who's gonna do something to our videos? Next thing you know, she tells me. I said, why would you do that?
Let me tell you why I deleted it. Like,
yeah, tell them.
I deleted it because I was on the phone, right? I was on the phone with
her old friend.
I was on the phone with my old friend, right? He was like, I think I was getting smart to him, and he was like, say something one more time.
I'm gonna share your video.
I'm gonna share your video on Facebook.
Like,
and I was like, no.
Man, there's nothing to talk about. Like, how do you? I don't know. I want to do YouTube for like a long time, and we already planned it, right? You know what? This is why I don't like talking.
Wait, what? What you say?
Nothing.
We was gonna do YouTube for a long time, and then what?
We always plan to go to LA. I'm telling you, if we get big, I'm going to LA. Like, she can go her separate ways if she want, but I want to go to LA. All jokes.
I would visit LA, but I wouldn't live there. Like, alright. People get a little big, people get a little money, and they start going to LA.
Who don't?
But you're not them.
Exactly, but I'm saying, what if we was them?
Listen.
Duh.
I'm not moving to LA. I'll visit. Like, it's pretty there.
We can go our separate ways now.
I guess we going our separate ways, but I'm not going to LA.
Why not?
Too bougie for
Why not?
Like,
she want to talk about bougie. Let's talk about bougie. She didn't even want to push a carriage, a shopping cart. She goes, you got me walking around pushing a carriage. I said freaking before.
Guys, what I look like pushing a shopping cart? That'll make me bougie.
Yesterday, you told me, oh my god. I'm like, looking around like, who's worried about you pushing a cart?
Mad crazy, and there was mad people.
Not even. They were old.
If it was really that deep, you could have pushed it.
If it was that deep, you could have left it.
Your mom was gonna be like, get out.
Look what I found in here. That's not my hair. Look at that. I should suit on. That's nasty. Why not? I heard it
That's-
tickles. I heard.
That's nasty.
How is that nasty? I just heard it tickles. We would always sing downstairs in the dining room. We had a computer, like it was not a computer room, but like there was a computer on the side. Well, we always sing Impossible. We'll always be
We
like,
were always saying this was like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, right?
We was always singing when it goes on,
I remember years ago.
someone told me like that, and then we kept going. Like we were singing for so long. Like, excuse me, sorry.
Can you cut that out?
Cut what up?
When all the lettuce was like going in my mouth.
Bro, what is there to talk about? Get off your phone. We got to talk. They just do not want to stare at us. Who's gonna do that?
I don't burp. I fart.
I never knew that was the same thing. You know that? I looked
What?
it up. I didn't look it up. I forget what I was doing. That I seen that it says burp and fart is the same thing.
It is.
Yes. It comes out through your mouth and your butt.
I need to burp so I can be hungry. No, you know when you burp.
Bro, I thought I was the only one that I'd just be waiting until I burp and then I get hungry again. I thought I was the only one.
You're not.
Ew. Anyways, I started watching it's called, I don't know how you pronounce it. I think it's Instable. Instable. It's with Debbie Ryan, I think. It's a good show.
Brittany.
Huh?
Brittany. Ow! Why you doing that so hard?
That's what I do to kids.
That's what you did to JJ?
Bro, when he was choking, I was like, I was scared. Don't choke for me.
If you ever leave with
I knew it. Oh, I knew you was gonna bring this up.
if you ever leave your baby with her, make sure I'm around. I saved her nephew's life. Say I didn't.
Cause I know what to do.
Cause
He was a baby.
All right, listen. He was a baby. He's 2 now. But he's still a baby. But he was like a baby, and he's
He was
choking.
walking, so he was probably like
He
8
wasn't
months.
walking that because we had him in a walker. That's the same day he flipped
So he
over.
He was kind of walking, so like 6-7 months.
He was like 6-7 months, and we had him in a walker. And I'm on my phone, and Crystal's sitting on the floor.
Wait.
All I see is the little baby flipping over. How?
We got up so
How
fast.
do you flip over on the walker? It's because it was like a carpet and the walker. So
Yeah, it was like stiff.
so he
But
was
bro.
like, he flipped over. So what was it? It was like the little cereal.
You know the little cereal puffs that dissolves in your mouth? I gave him one.
Mind you, the baby didn't have no teeth. He probably had like 2 teeth.
Oh, yeah, right here. But they dissolved, like, okay. Okay, what we was doing, we was just on our phone
And
chatting.
I'm looking at him. I'm like, yo. And she looks at him. And then she gives him to me and runs upstairs.
I was so scared. I was like, grab him. I went up I came to my brother's room.
Listen, this is what I did. I squeezed his stomach and I hit him, and then it just came out. And then I'm like, Crystal, he's good. I'm yelling, Crystal, he's good. Crystal, he's good. And she's begging, Eric on her brother's door. Eric.
I was like, he's choking.
I'm like, he's good. They come downstairs and he's just chilling.
I was like,
He's chilling. We didn't tell her sister till he was
Until
like,
he was at 1. But we didn't
She's
tell
not leaving him with us no more. And we was watching him yesterday and he choked.
Was it yesterday?
Was it yesterday?
No, 2 days ago.
2 days
Yeah,
ago. 'Cause
Saturday.
we were supposed to go bowling. Yeah.
He was choking on a chip. I was like, just give him a small piece and make sure there's no sharp around because it was Doritos. So she goes, I know.
Cause I know more about babies than her.
Nah, but
I just don't have
it's
patience.
common sense. Like, don't have sharp, whatever. So
And I didn't.
So he comes to me. He goes, like, I see him like coughing. So I'm like,
Now he's really smart.
so he comes to me, and like his mouth is open. He go, like, so I know he was choking. So like
And he's like trying to put his hand in his mouth. He's like,
so like I grabbed my finger. Mind you, I have nails. I was like, yo, you have to do what you gotta do. So like I went like that, and he was like, he started breathing hard. So I'm like,
I was on
oh
FaceTime
my
too.
god, I was patting her, and she's just sitting there like that.
No.
I was patting her.
Listen, let me tell you why. Because I'm really good with babies. Say I'm not good with babies. If a baby is
I mean, it's common sense. All they need to do is milk, sleep, bobo. That's
or
it.
they're constipated.
Yeah, that's it. Like, who don't know that? Like, a 3-year-old know that. Anyway.
Bella don't know that.
I was being sarcastic.
Shut up. Gosh, sarcastic. I said sarcastic.
Come here. We're done eating because I'm full. Even though I ate almost all of it. And her too. But I hope y'all like this video. Why am I talking so much? Usually she's talking a lot in the video and I'm just sitting here like.
Really? You
yes,
think so?
yes. I'm the quiet one.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I'm usually the quiet one. You're always like the one talking. Now, come on, get your notches up.
I'm full. I want to go to sleep.
You was like that earlier. Anyways, talk.
I was like, what earlier?
You was quiet earlier. Let us know what else to do. Okay. We don't love y'all. I mean, we don't know y'all. So now, but
she said we love y'all. Well, we don't love y'all.
Yeah, cause I know them YouTubers be like, we love y'all so much. I don't know y'all, so when I get more subscribers, then I'll love y'all.
They gonna say they gonna call you a hypocrite. They gonna screen record this and they gonna call you a hypocrite.
Oh yeah, don't be doing that to me, okay? Anyways, bye y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell your mother, tell your dog, tell your fish,
neighbor about me.
Tell your AC, tell your TV, everything, okay? Bye.